Hi everyone, I hope you are enjoying your life. Let's see what we are going to create. It's pretty nice. The only nice thing about that is the picture and the background. So how we can add them? It's just a simple trick, but need two things. The first thing is that you need to insert a new slide. In the new slide, you see the background. The picture is really stunning. How I get that? I get the background from insert, the picture, and a stock image. In the stock image, you can get it. I don't hopefully access to the internet now, but there is there. And after adding that, it's as easy as eating cake. Now, after you adding a picture, the second thing you need is that you need to install a font that name Overdrive Sunset. Create a text box, write the art, and then select all of them and use Overdrive Sunset as a font. It's a really good and nice thing. Then increase the size, you see? But some of you may ask, how this effect created? There is two ways, but we are going to go with the first way. You create a shape. Then after creating the shape, send it to the back. Then press Ctrl A, make combine. The first thing is created. Now the second hard thing is this icon. You can add it from the insert and the icons, and after adding that, it just simply do the same thing as we do here. So after that, we get something like this. You see, they are just the same. But what we do, we go to shape format, we set the outline to the color we want. I hopefully agree it's better to be none, but you can give some effect if you want. You can give it shadow, inner shadows sometimes like well, but I don't really not into them. And the glows, someone like them, but it's up to person. And also about the soft edge, it's also up to you. And I don't really like any of these effects. Some of them are maybe look a little cool, but not a lot. Okay, after that, we need this text. You format the text here and send it to back. See, we have a problem. The problem is that this text is really on our nerve. So what we should do, we should create and use layers. We create a picture, bring this to front. And you see, you say the background is blue and we don't like it. I agree with you. What shall we do? We shall simply set it to a slide background. Now we copy this slide, bring this out, bring this out, and then set the transition to morph. It's a nice starting slide for your presentation. You see the effect? It's nice. But some of you may say, you see, this is annoying a little. So how we can fix that? Just increase it in size. Then copy that. Copy that. Bring this to front. Oh, sorry, I don't know what I done. Bring this to front. And then with a little increment in the picture, let me send it to back. You see, now we need to send it to the back also. Now when we bring it out, a little delay is going to fix. Let's take a look. You see, the delay is fixing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.